What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Profit, man. Welcome back to the process. As y'all can see, I'm out here putting that work in. Trying to learn how to get this welding on. So I actually made up my mind and went on ahead and got me my own welding machine. I hit up Harbor Freight and I got their Chicago electric flux core welding machine. Whole little kit with the helmet. And I don't know, man, I was doing my research. Some guys saying it was easier to start out with a stick welding machine, and some guys said it was easier with the flux core machine. So I just took a chance and went on ahead and grabbed this one. And I'm out here trying my luck. So I'm practicing my tack welds and just laying my welds down, period. And I don't know, man, right now, it ain't looking so good. I'm out here burning up some stuff. Like I'm burning straight through my sheet metal. This is a 22 gauge sheet metal. And I'm using a .35 flux core wire. This machine is rated to use a .30 or up to a .35. This 3.5 may be too thick of a gauge for this 22 gauge steel I'm using. I'm not sure, man. I'm about to read these charts and these instructions a little bit more and kind of figure out what I'm doing wrong or if I'm doing anything wrong at all. But the whole point is to get my practice in so I can learn how to lay these welds down. So I can go ahead and hit that Elko, man, and get these flow pans together. Cause I didn't want to do this, man. I just couldn't find nobody else to come and do it for me. I called a few shops. Everybody either backed up or just they don't want to get to it at all. They don't do automotive flow pan repairs, and man, I heard all type of excuses. So I'm like, you know what? All right, say less. I'll do it myself. But if I can just learn how to lay my tack welds, man, I would tack weld this boy all the way around, you know, and just come back later on and get my welds filled in. But my focus right now is learning how to tack weld on these flow pans, the easiest part, and then coming back to the hard part all the way back there and get me some sheet metal laid to close them holes up back there in the back. So for now, it's a learning process. Starting from the bottom, man. Gotta learn, and then I'm gonna come in here and get this flow pan straight, man. No more yabba dabba doing for me. You feel me? But yeah, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and practice a little bit more. I'm just taking my time. I'm getting a bunch of splatter too. I'm not sure if I'm too far away when I'm getting my arc or not close enough. I don't know. But I'm gonna practice a little bit more. I'm gonna watch a few more YouTube videos. And trust me, man, I'm gonna figure it out. That's for sure. I'll be over here laying professional welds, man, in about 2 or 3 days. Watch your boy. So let me go ahead and get to this, man. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, man, hit that subscribe button right now. Enjoying this process. Stay locked in with your boy. Learning how to weld. I'm gonna do my own flow pans. I'm gonna do my own paint job, my own motor work. The whole nine, my baby. Let's get to it. right, so I'm still getting my practice on, but something don't seem right. Like I'm burning through my sheet metal real easily. I don't know if it's because I'm using this 0.35 wire. I may try to go ahead and downgrade, go down to a 3.0 right there and try that. Maybe this wire is getting too hot. I don't know, maybe sheet metal just burns through easily. Something going on, man, but I'm gonna figure it out. Maybe this is why guys was turning me down for wanting to do this type of job, because they know sheet metal burns. They ain't want no parts. Maybe that's what it was. I don't know, man. I'm gonna make sure I got all my gas lines and everything out the way before I start on this car, because I don't want no fires. So, safety first, my baby. I'm gonna get down here in a minute after I jack the car up and get a good look, see what's in my way. But all right, more practice. All right, so I'm getting my tack wheels looking pretty decent, man. It started to burn through on the end right here, but if I can get it like this, man, all the way around, that'll do. I can just tack weld all the way on that flow pan job, and just maybe come back in and fill some of them tacks in with some welds as I get a little bit better. But for now, that's the plan, man. I'm gonna tack weld all the way around, do it like that. So I'm on it, man. I got everything I need out here. Just need a little bit more time to practice. You feel me? And I'm gonna go ahead and start my tear down. I'm gonna come up in here and start cutting. Starting in the back, I'm just gonna hack all that old rusty metal out. Up here in the front, this little section right here, and I seen a few little holes. I might just tear that whole section out and replace that with some sheet metal. So I got a long way to go, man, but I was ready. Finna put this work in, you know, get my Elko together. It's funny how all I see now is El Caminos, man, all on Instagram, all in my city, all on YouTube. Everybody got El Camino bills out here now. So these boys is blowing up. It's all good. I'm just gonna go ahead and get mine together. I got plans too. You know, for one being this motor, man, I get this motor situation figured out. I kept telling y'all I might just pull this out, 383 stroke it, throw it back in here, or I might do a LS swap, which I really ain't no fan of, for real. I don't like sensors, man, all that computer stuff. I ain't really with that. I know it's gonna be a reliable car, all that stuff, man, but I just ain't with that new technology stuff, man. I gotta get it tuned and all that extra stuff. I might just go with a 454 big block. Get that 600 horsepower, man. 600 foot-pounds of torque, 600 horsepower, man, 454. So, you know, I'm over here plotting. It's gonna come together. But y'all stay locked in, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to work. My next video, I'm on it. I'm getting down to action, man. I'm finna start cutting and welding, you feel me? So, for now, I'm finna go ahead and get my practice on, baby. All right, man. But like I always say, make sure y'all like this video, leave me a comment, share it, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know. Let me go ahead and get to it.